This video will discuss whether you can file a workers' comp claim for COVID-19. Brought to you by the Herrman and Herrman Injury Attorneys of South Texas. Many Texas workers who have been deemed essential and continue to report to their jobs wonder whether they'll receive workers' compensation if they contract the COVID-19 coronavirus. Unfortunately, like many aspects of the coronavirus pandemic, this is a question without a clear answer at the moment. To qualify for workers' compensation based on a diagnosis of COVID-19, your employer must have workers' comp insurance, which is not required in Texas, and you must have contracted the virus as a result of your employment. If your employer does not have workers' comp insurance, you may still have recourse, but you will need to file a personal injury lawsuit. Workers' comp pays all medical bills, a portion of lost wages, and additional benefits for permanent disability or death. The Texas Division of Workers' Compensation, or DWC, specifically addresses the question of benefits for workplace contracted coronavirus in FAQs on a webpage providing coronavirus resources. The short answer is that claims will be decided on a case-by-case basis by the insurance company. If you don't like the workers' comp insurer's decision, you have the right to appeal to the DWC. Fortunately, this may not be the final word on the subject for all Texas workers. In Houston, for example, Mayor Sylvester Turner has announced that the city will assume that any city employee who tests positive for the COVID-19 coronavirus contracted it while on duty, the Houston Chronicle reports. In the end, it may be up to local government officials or individual employers to guarantee workers' comp benefits for their employers who contract coronavirus. If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with COVID-19 that you think was contracted through workplace exposure, we suggest that you file for workers' compensation if your employer has workers' compensation and contact an experienced workers' compensation attorney if your claim is disputed. One estimate says coronavirus treatment will result in tens of thousands of dollars in medical bills per case, which translates to expensive workers' comp claims that many insurers will fight. The workers' compensation attorneys of Herrman and Herrman in South Texas are currently reviewing COVID-19 related workers' comp cases. If you've been injured and need legal help, please call the Herrman and Herrman Law Firm at 844-426-6000.